Right, changing the breather pipe. We've got the top one, it's got a nice split in it. Bottom one, it's got a nice crack in it. So we're going to start by changing them over. Got the new parts here, ready to go. Quite a build up in here, so we're going to give it a brand new one. Let's pop the clip off top, pop the new one back in, make sure you've got the seal on it. And that's just a case of just feeling it, and you'll feel where it needs to go or wants to go. Just feel about. There we are. It doesn't go in that far. Grip the clip in and put it back on. Put the clip back on the top. Just to seal them in. Should feel tight. Just push down. So that's the new pipe in. Controversial with the Jubilee clips. It's just what I prefer. We'll put the pack on next. Going to change this little grommet as well. That's the new one in. The rocker cover is going to be coming off anyway to give it all clean. Just need to check this is the leak to see if it starts up. Right, that's all back on. Just going to see if it'll fire up and to see if we get any more issues. Right, so we changed that. I got no idea if it's going to start or not. We're just going to have to give it a go. A pipe done, the one with the big split, but I don't know, let's try in. That's how far as I got.